Welcome again to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'm headed out to do an overnight camp at a place I've been before. It's going to be about 22 or 23 degrees at the low tonight, so that should be interesting. I think I've got everything I need. The last time I camped at this particular spot, I woke up at about 1 in the morning with a kidney stone, and I had to go to the hospital and pass a kidney stone. So I hope this night won't be anything like that. All right, I'll see you on up the trail. I think I was saying the last time I was here, I had a kidney stone, and I was with my son and another guy and his son. I woke up at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, I can't remember exactly, and I had this pain that I recognized before, which was a kidney stone, and I had really no choice. I couldn't pass it, the pain wouldn't go away, so I just made my way down the mountain. It's a few miles, maybe three and a half miles down the mountain in the middle of the night with a headlamp that was running dim because of battery. I got in my truck and went to the hospital and passed a kidney stone. But fortunately, it didn't take too long. They gave me some IVs and enough liquids to pass it. I was able to get back out at sunrise, and nobody even knew I left. So that was interesting. Anyway, I'm heading up the mountain from the parking lot, about 3.5 miles in this state park here. And I'm gonna camp for the night and just test out my gear at 22 degrees. That should be interesting. All right, here we go. All right, I got the final push up to the top. Then I'll be at camp. Keep going by this stream. It's so peaceful, and hadn't been many people, so it's been pretty cool. This climb is kind of tough. I'm breathing pretty hard. I wonder if that has anything to do with me getting old. Nah, that's got nothing to do with it. Oh yeah, it's got everything to do with it. All right, I'll catch you at the top. There's the sun. It's heading down. So it's about time to get in the tent. It's gonna be dark soon. It's cold. It's probably about 38, 39 right now, and getting colder. It may be colder than that because it's supposed to get down to 22. When this sun goes down, it's really gonna get cold. All right, well, I'll see y'all in the morning. So I hope you can see that sun going down. Pretty cool in the tent. It's getting super cold, but sun's just kind of dropping down in the trees there. It's finally catching all the daylight and about to get dark. See y'all later. Well, good morning. It's morning of day 2, and it was cold last night. It was really cold. I think it was 24 degrees Fahrenheit. Whoever makes these things, Hot Hands toe warmers, absolutely brilliant. I picked them up at the pharmacy as I was getting some stuff yesterday. They were just kind of an impulse item. I put them in my socks. You just put them in between the layers of your socks. And so I put them in there and they worked awesome. I mean, freaking awesome. Kept me warm all night. I wish I'd have got the hand warmers too. I just got the toe warmers, but that was cool because I just had my hands in my pockets. But yeah, I was gonna say, there's my water bottle. It's frozen solid. I want to be drinking a slushie this morning. And there's some tree over to the left of me, no, the right of me to your left, that it was like rubbing up against another tree. So it sounded like a rocking chair all night. I was like, what the? It just kept rocking back and forth because the wind was brutal. I had to lower my trekking poles down to get the vestibules down low so the wind wouldn't pick me up and blow me away. Pretty good night. It was a lot of fun. So cold, but it was fun because it was peaceful. Not a soul around. I'm gonna try to get the sunrise, but I'm kind of lazy and it's cold. I don't know if I'll get out of bed quick enough to go get the sunrise because it's in like 30 minutes. Oh well. All right, I'll catch you later. I want to get some coffee and then get started. Okay, I'm heading out to see if I can find the sunrise. I already see the sun coming across the, let me turn around here. I can see it coming across the ridge over here. So I'm gonna head over to the other ridge and see where the sun is. Maybe I can follow it. Anyway, let's get started. There she is, coming up above those rocks. How glorious. All right, thank you guys for watching another episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I hope to get some good views today because I knew it was going to be sunny, but it was just brutally cold. Sorry, I can barely speak. It's so cold. But the sun came out and it was fun to camp overnight, wake up and try to get the views. And so I'm heading back down now. I just got about 4.5 miles back to my truck. So I'll catch you the next time. Thanks for watching. And I hope if you enjoyed the video, you'll subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you. Talk to you later.